townspeople have gathered in the park on a Sunday afternoon, as they do each year, for the instantiation of the dance mast. Here we see the Swoomptheeng, the ceremonial guardians of the dance mast, leading the offerings. The ceremony begins with the offering of beats to the totemic sound system. This happens in the form of hand rattles and tambourines. And here it is. There it goes. The mast is in full effect and the children of the community rejoice. Seen here, one of the Swoomptheeng manipulating the controllers. Since its arrival this morning, appearing from the very turf of the park, it has been the centre of the community's attention. The community begins to join in, but the mast returns to its sleep. More oral offerings are made by the entourage, the innards inspected, and it's up and running again. Mellow tones and rhythms fill the air of this modern municipal parkland. Rhythmic movements and the pressing of large bulbous control surfaces. A mystic symbol. Further inspection reveals another fault. And the mast returns to the gentle embrace of sleep. Members of the community take this opportunity to discuss the year in prospect. And now the pealing tones ring out one more time. Young members of the community, hypnotised, rooted to the spot, and thus ends